So here's a problem that we face. This is the top of the shifter, and that is the set screw. It's on the end of a hex key wrench. There's the hole that it goes into in the very center of the screen, and it's stripped. Now the collar rides up and down on that shaft in the center. Give it a little jiggle there, up and down, and you can see it's not pulling up on the shaft in the center like it should, but if the set screw is in the hole and it's firmly screwed all the way into the hole, then it grabs onto the shaft in the center and pulls it up, allowing the transmission to go into reverse. In our case, it's stripped out where it has lost its grip. We could put a larger set screw in if we had one that would be ever so slightly larger. And they made the thing out of plastic, which is sort of stupid because it's going to lack the strength necessary to retain the screw. So the wrench in question to remove the set screw is a 1/16 is what you'll need. Pretty much the only tool you're really going to need, other than something to pry off the top of the gear shift lever. And what we're going to do is attempt to fill in the hole, and then we will drill the hole out a little bit and put the set screw back in, hopefully with more material in the hole. And we have picked up this glue at an aviation show, Lakeland Sun and Fun.
Put the glue on it and then just slowly find the position wherever you want it, that you have it almost perfectly. And over you use too much, you use a razor blade to get the excess away, because the glue is already dry, so no drying time, no waiting time. And what you have, if you hold it,
yeah, you ain't going nowhere.
And he sells this amazing cyanacrylate based glue that you can also use with filler to fill in holes, and it's pretty astonishing. Apparently the way it works is we put the filler in first. No, we put the glue in first, and then we add the filler to it.
And it bonds instantly.
It will bond instantly, then we'll probably have to clean up the hole a little bit with a drill bit and try putting our set screw back in. Okay, so we have pulled it up and above the shift, the metal shaft, and
see how much comes out when I turn.
We've got a Q-tip in it so that when we blob a little bit of the cyanacrylate into the hole, it won't go in.
Yeah, if anything sticks, it'll stick to the fuzz of the Q-tip, and then we can drill that out if we need to.
We don't want to foul the works.
Okay, so it says 1 drop. That's 1 drop.
Okay.
And back up. And then he said hit it with filler like so.
Help it out with the...
And it's done.
Maybe poke it in there a little bit?
No.
Poke it in there.
Where it had glue, it's definitely solid. One more drop.
And we clean the hole up, and we're done. And now we have the ability...
It's difficult to engage like normal.
Yeah. We are now able to do reverse again, which is
Pretty awesome.
pretty handy. So we'll see how long this fix lasts. Certainly it'll last long enough to get some enjoyment out of the car, and